right. Hello, good morning, boys and girls. Today you have a very special, very exciting reading lesson for you today. So now this week is going to start a whole unit or a whole section of our Reader's Workshop where you will earn and get superpowers, okay? Boom, 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 boom. You're going to get superpowers. So up here on my chart, and this chart is going to grow with us, it says, okay, take my finger off for now, superpowers, right? And you are going to get all these extra cool superpowers that are going to make you a better reader and a more effective, which is a fancy word for saying better, okay? A better reader. And the first power I am going to give to you, because Miss Noble holds all the reading power, I'm going to give you pointing power. So before I can give you your pointing power, I need you to stick your finger in the air like this. And I need you to say, bum, ba, ba, bum, pointing power. Can you do it? Okay, perfect. I hope you did it. I hope you really did it, because that would make me happy. So our first power you are getting is pointing power. Now, we kind of talked about it a little bit, I think it was last week, when I talked to you about the number of words you see is the number of words you say, right? Now, pointing power is going to make sure that we still do that. So I'm going to move the phone just a little bit there so you can see better. Okay, so my first thing is pointing power. And what that means is, if this is my sentence, and it might be a little small, maybe I'll pick you up and bring you over here. So here is my sentence, and it says, I see the dog. Now, if you look, I put little black dots under each of my words that I was reading. And the reason I did that was to help me remember where to put my finger. Okay, I see the dog. I see 4 dots. I see 4 words. I say 4 words. I'm pointing 4 times. Now, if I had a picture that went along with this, and there was a dog that was crossing the street, I might, just by looking at the picture, want to say, I see a dog crossing the street. Now, if I said that sentence for here, I see a dog crossing the street. Look, my finger goes right off the board. That is too many words. You have to just say exactly the number of words that you see. So from now on, anytime you are reading a book, okay? And next week you're going to have a bunch of books sent home for you. Anytime you are reading a book, you are to be pointing under each word as you say it, even if you don't know what it says. Even if you're guessing what it says, you are only saying the number of words you see on the page. So you use your pointing finger to do so. It's called tracking, which is a very fancy word. It's called tracking because it keeps you on track to read better. So not only will you be getting a bunch of books next week to help you practice your pointing power, you will each get one of these lovely pointing fingers, okay, to make pointing more fun and to help remind you, you must point as you read. All right, boys and girls, very simple. So today I would like you to practice either on a book that you have at home, okay, or if you want to use RazKids, you can still tap on the screen on RazKids. Even if it's on the computer, you can touch the screen and point to it that way. So either way, you are going to practice your pointing power today. All right, I will see you soon. Bye-bye, boys and girls.